Things every man should do, the ultimate bucket list. Every man has a unique bucket list, a compilation of life's experiences that they aspire to achieve. In this original video, we've put together a list of essential life goals for men, distilled from the essence of living a significant life. A true gentleman constantly seeks to expand his comfort zone, challenge his circumstances, and aim high. This list will help you get started on your journey to turning dreams into reality. Welcome to Penny Investors, where future millionaires come to get inspired. If you enjoy our videos, please do not hesitate to hit that like and subscribe button, and turn on the notifications, so that you don't miss out on new videos we post. You can also follow us on X @FanInvestors1. From daring adventures to profound personal growth, each item on this list holds the potential to leave an indelible mark. Without any further delays, let's delve into this curated collection of life's most inspiring and unforgettable pursuits. Number 1. Purchase your dream car with cash, walking into a dealership and driving it away without any debt. Number 2. Prioritize your health and achieve a fit body, including that coveted six-pack. Prioritizing your health and attaining a fit physique is a cornerstone of a fulfilling and vibrant life. Number 3. Live in your favorite city, at least for a while, and consider settling down there if it lives up to your expectations. Number 4. Become a mentor and help someone reach their full potential. It's one of life's most rewarding endeavors. Number 5. Try skinny dipping, preferably in the company of beautiful individuals enjoying the same activity. Number 6. Make a lasting impact on a community by building a school. Constructing a school is a monumental endeavor that transcends bricks and mortar. It is a legacy of education, empowerment, and opportunity, providing a platform for countless young minds to flourish and realize their potential. Number 7. Learn to fly an airplane and relish the freedom of the skies. Mastering the art of piloting an aircraft is an exhilarating pursuit that grants a profound sense of liberation. Number 8. Purchase a Rolex watch and pass it down as a symbol of success and tradition. The Rolex brand is synonymous with excellence, precision, and enduring quality, making it an emblem of achievement. By passing down a Rolex watch, one is not only bequeathing a coveted timepiece but also a legacy of hard work, dedication, and perseverance. Number 9. Be spontaneous and buy a last-minute plane ticket for the same day, embracing adventure along the way. By taking this bold step, one opens the door to a world of new experiences, uncharted territories, and unexpected encounters. It's an invitation to break free from routine and venture into the unexplored. Number 10. Travel to every continent, creating unforgettable memories. Embarking on a journey to every continent is a passport to unparalleled cultural richness, diverse landscapes, and extraordinary adventures. Number 11. Master a musical instrument, impressing others with your skills. The ability to captivate an audience with your music not only showcases dedication and discipline but also fosters a deep connection that transcends words, leaving an indelible impression on those fortunate enough to witness your talent. Number 12. Build a treehouse for your children, a memorable project that you'll cherish. Building a treehouse for your children is a heartwarming endeavor that goes beyond mere construction. It's a labor of love, a tangible expression of devotion to your family, and a symbol of creating a magical childhood. Number 13. Own a motorcycle and relish the open road. The open road becomes a canvas for exploration, where every twist and turn offers an exhilarating sense of liberation, connecting you with the world in a way that's impossible to replicate through any other mode of transportation. Number 14. Host a grand Great Gatsby-style party with quality guests. Hosting a Great Gatsby-style soiree transcends ordinary gatherings. It's a lavish celebration that exudes opulence and sophistication. Number 15. Leave a generous tip, like $500, at your favorite restaurant, making a significant impact on someone's life. Number 16. Achieve the remarkable feat of running a full marathon. Conquering a full marathon is a testament to the power of perseverance and physical endurance. Number 17. Develop your chess skills and teach your children to think strategically. Investing time in honing your chess skills not only sharpens your strategic thinking but also equips you to pass down this invaluable skill to your children, fostering their ability to approach challenges with foresight and analytical prowess. Number 18. Boldly quit a job you despise and move forward. Taking the courageous step to leave a job that brings dissatisfaction not only liberates you from a toxic environment but also opens the door to new opportunities for personal and professional growth. Number 19. Experience a private jet flight without feeling the need to post a picture on Instagram. Do haters still hate if someone flies privately and doesn't share it online? Number 21. Take a daring plunge and swim with a shark. Once you survive that, dealing with annoying people will seem like a piece of cake. Number 22. Attend the Victoria's Secret fashion show and its after party. Spend a night surrounded by some of the most beautiful women in the world. Number 23. Master the art of cooking and have a signature dish that impresses everyone with your culinary skills. Number 24. Own a boat and throw a wild boat party in a private setting. Hosting a lively boat party in a secluded setting offers an unparalleled experience, where friends and family can revel in the beauty of nature while creating lasting memories in an intimate and exclusive environment. Number 25. Feel the thrill of racing a Formula One car. Push the limits of speed as far as your mind allows. Number 26. Go on a vacation to a place without internet for at least a month with someone you deeply care about. Disconnecting from technology will do wonders for your mindset and create lasting memories. Number 27. Create a unique and delicious custom drink and give it your own special name. Perhaps call it Drops of Heaven a la Luxe. Number 28. Achieve the milestone of being featured on the cover of a significant magazine. Receive the recognition you deserve for your hard work. Number 29. Visit all the wonders of the world in person, both the ancient and modern marvels created by humanity. Number 30. Travel to all the cities you used to dream of visiting when you were a child. Jet setting around the world, meeting new people, and trying new experiences. Number 31. Witness the awe-inspiring beauty of the aurora borealis. Be captivated by the natural wonders of our world. Number 32. Experience the satisfaction of hiring someone and going through the entire process. The effort and patience invested are worth it. Number 33. Have the courage to let someone go if a hire doesn't work out. It's a tough decision, but a necessary one for the success of your venture. Number 34. Meet one of your heroes, someone who inspired you growing up. Exchange stories and be inspired by their journey. Number 35. Build your dream house, a place that caters to your every need and truly feels like home. Number 36. Attend the Olympic Games and witness the incredible performances of the world's top athletes. Number 37. Be present at the Super Bowl and experience the exhilaration of seeing your favorite team emerge victorious. Number 38. Add a touch of spontaneity by crashing a wedding and making new friends while being embraced by the attendees. Number 40. Participate in a major festival worldwide, like La Tomatina in Spain, and revel in the vibrant atmosphere. Number 41. Explore and document your family history, passing it down for generations. Create a comprehensive family tree as far back as possible. Number 42. Save a life, an immensely rewarding experience that leaves an indelible impact on both you and the person you've helped. Number 43. Have your portrait painted and framed, leaving behind a tangible legacy. Commissioning a painted portrait immortalizes your image in a timeless and artistic form, creating a physical representation of your essence that can be passed down through generations. Number 44. Write and publish a book, leaving behind a legacy of wisdom for future generations. Embarking on the journey of writing and publishing a book is a profound act of sharing knowledge and insights, creating a tangible legacy that imparts wisdom to generations yet to come. There you have it. 44 things every man should do before their lifetime is over. Embracing these challenges and opportunities will not only create cherished memories but also foster personal growth and self-discovery. Ultimately, The key is to strive for a life filled with happiness, surrounded by those who appreciate and love you. So, embark on this journey with zest, and let these experiences be the building blocks of a truly remarkable life. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed our videos, please do not hesitate to hit that like and subscribe button, and turn on the notifications, so that you don't miss out on new videos we post.